So today I'm going to show you guys my most expensive outfit. So what is up guys, my name is Nico and welcome back to a brand new video. So I've always wondered what would my most expensive outfit would look like. So what I decided to do is I gathered all my most expensive pieces and put them all in one outfit. I'm here to show you guys today what the outfit looked like and what are the price. Let's start off showing you guys the pieces one by one. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys one by one what the pieces that I'm going to be using for this outfit. And so I'm going to start off with an undershirt. I'll be starting off with this CDG box logo. Looking at the prices for these is actually going around 400, 350, 400, somewhere around there. But I'm just going to say 400 for this piece. And the next piece, over that CDG, I'm going to be wearing this off-white Caravaggio crew neck. And this is going for around 450, so that's going to be in my undershirt. You're really not going to see it, but I wanted to add as much item as I can to make the outfit really expensive. So yeah, I'm going to add this over it, and this is going around for $450. And then topping it off with the last top piece is going to be, I'm going to be wearing this Gap puffer jacket. This is only around $60, nothing too crazy, but I will be adding this on top. Alright guys, so for the bottoms, I'm going to be adding this minimal denim jeans. Not really a crazy piece, not too expensive, only for $60 just because I don't really own any crazy expensive pants. But yeah, I'm going to be adding this to the outfit. And then for the shoes, I'm going to be adding my most expensive shoes. It's going to be the Prada Cloud Bust, and this is going around $750. That's with tax, so $750 for these ones. Sorry guys, for the last item, I'm going to be adding a duffel bag to add more to the price. And it's going to be this 3M black duffel bag. And this is around, I've seen this around $300 to $350. So I'm just going to price it at $350 right now. And that's going to be a grand total of $2,070. So you guys can tell it's a little pricey outfit. But yeah, now that I've shown you guys all the pieces, let's go see what it looks like. Guys, hope you guys do like that video. Let me know down below what is the most expensive outfit that you guys can put together. I just want to hear from you guys. Let's see how much is your most expensive outfit. So let me know down below. That'd be pretty dope to read. And hope you guys are having a great day. And I will see you guys later.